The success of my reign is dependent totally on my ability as your leader to ensure that our future, our children, is really secure. These are the words of Osagyefuo Amoatia Ofori Panin on October 11th, 1999. The Akyem Abuakwa state has held a formidable place in the history of Ghana predating the colonial era. Noted for its production of highly educated and prominent personalities in Ghana, including the current President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. The ancient but powerful kingdom of Akyem Abuakwa was thrown into a state of mourning upon the death of Osagyefuo Kuntunkununkun III on 17th of March 1999. The search for a successor to inherit and build upon the legacy left by the late Osagyefuo Kuntunkununkun and past kings of the kingdom began. After due process, the mantle of leadership fell on Osagyefuo Amoatia Ofori Atta and was installed as the new king who ascended the Ofori Panin Stool of the Asuna dynasty on 4th October 1999. As the 35th occupant of the Ofori Panin Stool, he bore the stool name Osagyefuo Amoatia Ofori Panin. Upon ascending the throne, Osagyefuo Amoatia Ofori Panin pledged to introduce real economic development, commercial growth, and the general progress and welfare of his subjects. In his commitment to fulfilling his promise to his people, the OKYENHENE embarked on a 12-week tour of Ochiman from February to April 2000. This extensive tour provided him with first-hand insight into the challenges faced by his kingdom. The dawn of his leadership in 1999 marked the beginning of a new chapter for Ochiman, one filled with promise, growth, and prosperity. To kickstart his initiatives promptly, the OKYENHENE ensured the active involvement of his sub-chiefs and citizens, rallying everyone together to pursue his vision for the betterment of the people of Ochiman. Osagyefuo is dedicated to environmental protection, vowing to safeguard the planet's life-sustaining environment. In 2001, he established the Ochiman Environment Foundation to lead the charge in environmental conservation. His advocacy has made him a prominent voice for environmental protection, not just in Akyem, but throughout the country. He also instituted the Ochiman Environmental Week, which is held annually to coincide with the World Environmental Day. Throughout this week-long observance, the OKYENHENE visits various communities within his kingdom to spread his message of environmental protection and conservation. The Ochiman Environmental Foundation has received prestigious awards such as the Green Apple, presented by British Trade Secretary Patricia Hewitt at the House of Commons in 2003, and the Millennium Excellence Awards Foundation in 2010, gaining recognition both locally and internationally. Osagyefuo Amoatia Ofori Panin is a strong supporter of child education, leading to the creation of the annual Mmofra Afahyɛ event in 2001. This celebration features a derby where school pupils from Ochiman showcase their talents and receive awards for their achievements. The OKYENHENE has also instituted a scholarship scheme to help brilliant but needy pupils in Ochiman, christened Buabako Bua Oman. Every child, regardless of their provenance, must have the opportunities that education can afford, so that they grow in dignity and in depth and are able to fulfill their full potential and responsibilities. A quote by Osagyefuo Amoatia Ofori Panin. To bring his vision to life, the OKYENHENE Basishia Osagyefuo Amoatia Ofori Panin has constructed 10 model basic schools throughout the Ochiman Kingdom. This initiative embodies his unwavering commitment to providing quality education for all children in Ochiman, turning his education for all mantra into a reality. These schools stand as beacons of hope and opportunity in the communities and municipalities they serve, shaping the future for generations to come. Osagyefuo's unwavering belief in the power of higher education as a catalyst for development led to the groundbreaking establishment of the University College of Agriculture and Environmental Studies, located in the Eastern Region, Bunsu, in 2009. This visionary move, the first of its kind by a traditional authority in the country, highlights the king's commitment to advancing education. Currently, a permanent campus is under construction with the support of the government of Ghana through the Ministry of Education to provide equitable access of education for all. OKYENHENE's dedication led to the establishment of the J.B. Dankwa ICT Center and Library, providing valuable resources to the community of Akyem Abuakwa. He passionately advocates for quality education, believing it to be the key to nurturing responsible and productive citizens.
Osagyefuo Amoatia Ofori Panin. Ofori amanfoe. Akyem Abuakwa. Ofori na no bi mfa o be mu mfa o ba. Afi ko bra meto afiso. Afi te se na wo kwa. Wo ahoden, komude papa, obenya, yiyele. Sempo ni ti o banche dinsinga. Abra besim ti ase no. Na yesika kokoro ya no. Ochiman kwa yewra. Ni che ni hata da wase.
The transformative leadership of Osagyefuo Amoatia Ofori Panin in Ochiman has brought about significant progress and positive change. From his dedication to education and environmental protection to his commitment to addressing the needs of his people. As we celebrate the 25th anniversary of leadership and sustainable development under the reign of Osagyefuo Amoatia Ofori Panin, we reflect on the remarkable progress and positive impact that he has achieved in Ochiman. Osagyefuo, your unwavering commitment to education, environmental protection, and community development has paved the way for a brighter future for all. On this special milestone, we, the good people of Ochiman and Ghana at large, extend our heartfelt wishes to you for your continued success, health, and prosperity in your long and illustrious reign. OKYENHENE, may your leadership continue to inspire and uplift the people of Akyem and Ghana for many years to come. Long live His Majesty Amoatia Ofori Panin. Long live Akyem. Long live Ghana.
Baby,